Hello, Mom and Sir. I'm Mary Grace Aniga, 36 years old. I'm a single mother of two kids. My work experience is in Hong Kong. I finished my contract there for 4 years from an employer only. My duty is to take care of kids, ironing, cleaning, cooking, laundry, marketing, and car wash. Sometimes I set up a playlist also for the kids, and if they have the activity, I accompany with them also. Please, Mom and Sir, give me a chance to prove myself and give me a chance to work in your family. I'm a hardworking auntie. Please, Sir, Mom, give me a chance. Thank you and God bless.